Now chapter number 6, the junk seller. There is a girl named Kiran who started selling junk. She wanted to do some business. She was not studied because she has not studied higher because her father was dead at when she was very young, and she was also married at a very young age. Now her in-laws were also not that much educated. They don't as they were not much educated, they were going to a tea stall to run. They were going to a tea stall for earning a penny. So this is what is given on the page number 60, the thing I have explained to you. Now page number 61. Find out how much for a cup of tea. Ask people and find out the cost of cup of a tea at tea stall and at hotel. At tea stall the price of cup of tea will be less, and at hotel it will be higher. See, if a person who runs a tea stall earns 30 rupees in a day, how much will he earn in 10 days? And in month, how much? How did you get your answers? Discuss. See, we are assuming that a person is getting 30 rupees per day. 30 rupees per day. So, in 10 days, 30 rupees multiply by 10. So this will be 30 into 10. 0 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0. Now 0 over here, 1 zeros are 0 and 3 ones are 3. Answer will be 300. Person will earn 300 rupees in 10 days. Suppose there are 30 days in a month. Now we have to assume, we have to find out how many rupees will he earn in a month. So this will be 30 into 30. We are assuming there are 30 days in a month. 0 into 0, 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are, 0 over here and 3 zeros are 0, 3 threes are will be 9. So 900 will be the answer. A person will earn 900 rupees. Next question. Hariya and Babu went to buy a hand cart for rupees 300. Who has to pay back more, Hariya or Babu? See, Hariya took a loan of rupees 300 from a bank for 6 months to buy a handcraft. He pays 51 every month to the bank. Money paid back by Hariya to the bank in 1 month was 51 rupees. Money paid back by Hariya to the bank in 6 months will be 51 into 6. We have to multiply 51 with 6. 6 ones are 6 and 6 fives are 30. So 306. We will do it in following manner. 50 into 6. 50 multiply by 6. 6 zeros are 0 and 6 fives are 30. 600 rupees and 6 ones are will be 1. So this will be plus 6. Now if we had 306, we will get 306. Hariya paid 306 rupees to the bank after 6 months. Babu took a loan of rupees 300 from Chunilal for 6 months to buy a handicraft. He paid rupees 360 after 6 months. Now Babu is paying 360 after 6 months. Who has paid more? Obviously, Babu has paid back more amount than Hariya. Next question. I have 9 rickshaws of my own. I give the rickshaws on rent, each for 20 rupees a day. On Sundays, I do not take any money from there. In a week, how much does Kiran earn for one rickshaw? See, there are 7 days in a week, so we will write 7, and she has 9 rickshaws, so we will multiply 9 with 7. 9 sevens gives us 63. Now this is 7 days in a week and 9 rickshaws, but from one rickshaw she is earning 20 rupees. So this will be 20 rupees from one rickshaw. So 9 into 20. because earning from one rickshaw is 20. 9 twos will be 18. So 180 rupees she will earn from 9 rickshaws in one day. Now we have to multiply it with 7. Okay, so 7 days in a week. Earning of Kiran from one rickshaw per day is 20 rupees. So we will write 20 over here. And earning of Kiran from one rickshaw for 7 days will be 20 into 7. So if we multiply 20 with 7, this will be 7 zeros are 0 and 7 twos are 14. So 140 rupees. Now on Sunday, she does not take any money from the rickshaws. So we will subtract minus 20 because for one day she is taking 20 rupees. So 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 2 will be 2 and 1 minus 0 will be 1. So 120 rupees she will get in 1 week for one rickshaw. Next is page number 63. We have to solve this sum mentally. 6 twos are 12. 42 into 3, 126. 26 are 120. 4 into 80, 320. 2 into 60, 120 and 81 fours will be 324. As we have to do this sums mentally, I am not showing this in book. Look up the rate list to see today's rate. Help Kiran to find out the cost of chunk. How much will Kiran pay for 31 kg newspaper? 1 kg newspaper cost 5.30 kg. Will cost 5 rupees. 30 kg cost is equal to 30 into 5. So this will be 30 multiplied by 5. 5 zeros are 0 and 5 threes are 15. So 150 rupees will be the answer. So for 31 kg she pays rupees. So we have to find out how much she pays for 31 kg. How much will Kiran pay for 42 kg newspaper, and also find a cost of 22 kg of plastic, 23 kg of waste paper and 12 kg of iron. This is the rate list. Can you do this without writing? Guess the total money Kiran will pay to junk collectors. Will it be more than 600 or less than 600? Now we are moving to answer. Cost of 1 kg newspaper is 5 rupees. So cost of 31 kg newspaper will be 31 multiplied by 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. So 135. Sorry, 105 threes are 15. So 155 will be the answer. Cost of 42 kg newspaper. So 42 into 5. 5 twos will be 10. So 0 down and 1 carry. 5 fours will be 20 and 20 plus 1 will be 21. So 210 rupees will be the answer. Cost of 1 kg plastic is 10 rupees. We have to find out cost of 22 kg plastic. So this will be 22 into 10. 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0. Now here 1, so 0 over here. 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2. 0 plus 0 will be 0, 2 plus 0 will be 2 and 2 plus 0 will be 2. So cost of 22 kg plastic will be 220 rupees. Cost of 1 kg waste paper is 4 rupees. So cost of 23 kg waste paper is equal to 23 into 4. 4 threes are 12. 2 down, 1 carry. 4 twos are 8 plus 1, 9. 92 will be the cost of 23 kg waste paper. Next is cost of 1 kg iron. Cost of 1 kg iron is 12 rupees. And cost of, we have to find out cost of 12 kg iron. So 12 into 12. 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. 0 over here. 2 ones are 2 and 1 ones are 1. 4 plus 0, 4. 2 plus 2, 4 and 1 plus 0 will be 1. So 144 will be the answer. Total money she paid will be 155. This 155 plus 210 plus 220 plus 92 and plus 144. So this will be 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 4. will be 11. So 1 down and 1 carry over. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 2, so 8 and 9. 9 plus 9 will be 18 and 18 plus 4 will be 19, 20, 21 and 22. So 2 down and 2 carry. 2 plus 1 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this will be 821. Total money she paid to junk seller is 821, which is more than 600 rupees. Now next question. Kiran bought 1 kg plastic for 10 rupees but sold 1 kg plastic for 12 rupees. So this will be 12 minus 10. She is earning 2 rupees for 1 kg of plastic. How much money did she earn on selling 1 kg of plastic? 2 rupees. So how much money did she earn for 63 kg? So this will be 63 into 2. 3 2s will be 6 and 6 2s will be 12. She earned 126 rupees. Now next is, how much will Dinu pay for 32 kg iron? See, cost of 1 kg iron is 14 rupees. So for 32 kg this will be 32 into 14. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 0 here, 2 1s are 2 and 3 1s are 3. 8. 2 plus 2 will be 4 and 3 plus 1 will be 4. So answer will be 448. Cost of 1 kg iron for Kiran is 12 rupees. Selling price of 1 kg of iron is 14 rupees. So profit on selling 1 kg iron will be 14 minus 12, which will be 2 rupees. So on 32 kg it will be 32 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6, 62 rupees. Thus Kiran earns 64 rupees on selling 32 kg iron. I bought 1 kg newspaper for 5 rupees but sold it for 6 rupees. How much money did I earn by selling 152 kg newspaper? See, cost price is 5 rupees and selling price is 6 rupees. So 6 minus 5 will be 1. For 1 kg we are earning 1 rupee. So for 152 kg this will be 152 multiplied by 1. 2 1s are 2, 5 1s are 5 and 1 1s are 1. So answer will be 152 rupees. How much will Dinu pay for 4 kg brass? Guess the answer first. The cost of 1 kg brass is 180 rupees. Now he is buying 4 kg. So 4 zeros are 0. 8 4s will be 32. So 2 down and 3 carry. 4 1s are 4 plus 3 will be 7. So Dinu will pay 720 rupees for 4 kg of brass. So this is chapter number 6.